Can I have the day with you? Nothing more that I would choose. Nothing more that I could use than a little afternoon sitting with you.
Good morning. Day 2. We're in Edmonton, Toronto. So, kakain muna kami sa labas. It's 8:34 sa baba. Second floor. Ooh, walking na sa baba, guys. Good morning, Toronto. Nasaan ba yung may aso? Good morning, yo. Ayun yung baba namin, guys. Lamig-lamig pa rin. So, kakain muna kami. It's 8:34. Yung ano namin, bus namin is 10:30 patungong Niagara Falls. So, sinabi ko na hindi talaga siya plan, pero andito na naman kami, so we will go there. And upgraded pala kami sa dalawang queen bedroom. Upgraded pala kami sa bedroom, guys, kasi kahapon nag-request ako ng early check-in. Buti meron siyang available, so binigay sa amin to. So kasi wala kaming tulog kahapon, kaya we requested na makapag-early check-in. So, okay naman. Binigyan naman kami. So, let's go. So, second floor yung kitchen. For breakfast.
Steam rising from a porcelain cup. Sunlight dancing as the world wakes up. Pages turning, stories unfold. Lost in the moment.
Alright, ready na tayo. Ready na, and then Uber is 3 minutes.
All the people are there over lifty.
Soft melody.
But it's nice here.
Lift as well.
Sometimes it's nice to go to the big city, right?
Your smile lingers like a wind
But when you land in Canada, you started here in Toronto?
of a wake.
Yeah, I started in Toronto. I
Every
went
glance
to
sparks
Quebec,
a
but
tender light.
No job in Quebec.
Which one is bigger, Quebec or Toronto? Bigger Toronto, right?
I pen these words with all my care, hoping you sense the love I share.
Yeah,
This
exactly.
little love song written just for you hums the truth of what we
So, we're heading sa aming bus. Going to
there were
Falls.
says I'm yours and you're forever mine. A simple tune from heart to heart, a quiet love that will never depart.
Big money, at first, like,
Under skies brushed with a soft blue hue, I see a reflection that feels so true. Every laugh, each silent sigh fills my world with a glow that won't pass by. Every moment feels like a warm embrace, a little world.
We are here na sa Union Station Bus Terminal. Going in. May pang adlaw ron. Di pa kayo init. Ay, di pa kayo no. To Niagara. Asa man ta?
Yeah, we're at 30. Zone Z.
Zone Z. Sige.
Kita mo?
Okay.
230.
Okay, dito na kami sa bus. And line na lang kami guys para sa aming bus. Okay, nasa bus na kami. Ang ano namin is 10:30. Sa watch ko is 8:30 kasi advance ng 2 hours yung Toronto. Kung gusto nyo makatipid or hindi kayo ayaw nyo mag-rent a car, dito lang kayo sa Union Bus. You can buy a ticket online. Doon kami nag-ano sa megabuscanada.com or megabus.com, which is around $39 for 2 passengers, but that's only one way.
Open windows, city hums, another day before.
So, kumuha kami na Ligo all-day bus pass. May sa bus station. Dito kami sa Niagara Falls bus station. So, this is how it looks like. Kabi na yan mo?
32.
You pay $32 for two adults. All-day pass. Because they only accept cash lang pala. Ang lamig dahil sa hangin. But dyan kami, nag-stop sa bus and then you will buy all-day bus pass. So that's our bus. 603 Green South. Dire. Bus na kami. So yung mga iba, hindi nila siguro alam na need nila mag-ano ng ticket. So pagbasa namin, you have to have this. You cannot ride the bus with a credit card or a debit card. It has to be Go. And this is all-day pass. So, nag-stop na kami sa Table Shoe. Last stop to go sa Arasa Falls. Ayan na guys. Hiyon kay kuboso, kaya ihis ako. We are here in Niagara Falls. Such a beauty guy.
Istorya.
As usual, maraming tao dito. Nice. Woo. Here tapos kay nice kaya. Oh! Oh my gosh. Ang ice po. Hulog ka na, oy, mahulog ka. kamay. So, nandito kami sa loob ng Niagara parang canteen or something. Ganda din. Ooh, nice. So, dito kami sa loob ng parang I don't know if it's a mall here. Tingnan ko lang mamaya. Bili kami ng tuk. Kasi gagala-gala pa kami. Green, no? That's cute. The green one. How much? Bilan mo ko lang ng tuk at bibili tayo ng coffee. I like this, oh. This one is nice. So, bumili kami ng coffee sa Brew Cafe and Deli. Muna tayo guys. Bili muna tayo ng coffee. Kakaiba din yung ano nila, cup. Lumabas na naman kami. So, dyan guys.
May tunnel. Ano sa backlist?
Ha?
Tunnel ka. US biggest, I don't know.
I don't know if you can see the rainbow, but the rainbow is there. Oh, we have a rainbow over there, guys. That's the border.
फॉल्स है ये फॉल्स है लेकिन नीचे स्नो है
US is there. Pili ba yan na? Kaya tali mo?
Ikaw isang, di ba?
Ako.
Bakit issue niya?
O na, sa akong bulsa.
Nag-post na kami sa kanito. Okay. Search. I have a room. Yeah, I see that. $10 more.
Here.
Frozen man.
Frozen?
Kami doon eh.
Bulit isa akong. Beda.
Nasaan? Nasa
Bulsa. Na?
frozen. Kaya.
Ah, sayang. $2 mga boss.
Ha? $1 or $1? Look at that bridge.
$2. Insert 1. So, dito kami ngayon. Hihintay lang namin ang aming bus. We go bus. Punta kami ng Clifftown Hills. So, yan. Sa likod namin is yung Niagara Falls. Ganda. Hi guys! So tignan nyo, nandito
Parang
kami
nasa
sa
US dito guys.
US naman talaga din sa border. So parang ang vibe niya dito is parang nasa US kami. Di ba yung mga ganyan-ganyan? Ganyan o. US yan. So if we are going to ride, punta tayo doon. Welcome to US. Parang US.
I could be the twisted.
So we are here. Kitang-kita ang Hard Rock Cafe. Dito kami sa Clifton Hill upside.
Ito yung nagagaling. Please believe it or not.
Upside or up?
Please
So,
believe it or not. Picture it ha.
sir. Dito na kami guys. Let's do some adventure here. Wait, mag-ride ka? And we have a combo. It's only $10 more to add on award-winning wax museum and a free selfie studio. So I can do all three of them for $40. Okay. Sakay daw kami guys dito guys. Hindi ko alam bakit sasakay sa dito. But we're going in everyone. We're getting in. Evaluate this.